Hello YouTube, welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Rio Skinners. Hello, welcome to Tommy's video on what he learned from his trips going around to different areas like Evansville, Louisville, and Belterra. I hope you guys are ready for this video. If you guys are, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell, so you guys will not miss out on any videos. In today's video, what we are going to be talking, about some different Rio scanner frequencies that I learned from going to a very special area, okay? So if I turn you guys around, the first area that I would like to talk to you guys about is Carroll County, okay? So you guys see Carroll County Sheriff uses an NXDN dispatch, kind of like that county that's over there in like Jeffersonville. So if we go on down, this is the Louisville system. I know I did a lot of videos on this. So they use 856.2625. That conventional repeater is a simplex. So here's like their fire dispatch, their fire tech, their hospital, and their emergency operations. Now, if you guys would like to listen to Louisville Metropolitan Police Department, just to give you guys a heads up, their radio frequencies are encrypted. So you guys see they got AMR EMS, they got fire dispatch, they got hospitals, they got a lot of DMR. So if I use that radio scanner over there, that DM1701, that would make it busy. So if we go on over to a county, let's just say Warren County, and we look at some of this, they got Warren County Emergency Agency, they got their EMA, fire dispatch, which both of those are all analog. Warren County EMS, that's analog. Now if we go on down to right here, they got schools, they got businesses. This is their hospital channel, so they got 1, 2, 3, 4. This is their college. So if we go on like the businesses and we look at the National Corvette Museum, Corvette and Motorsports Museum, we look at these, you guys see that they all use DMR. So they don't tell what talk group they use because they don't know what their talk groups are. So what you guys would have to do is put those radio frequencies like inside the DM1701, and then after that you guys just have to see like what would pick up and like what would say in that moment of time. So this right here, these are their businesses. So they got sports venues, they got a lot. Now if we go down here to shopping, they got the Greenwood Mall, they got Walmart, Meijer, Kohl's, Target. So those are like on all their various businesses. So let's just say if you guys are wanting to go to like someplace new, like you guys wanting to listen to someplace new in Kentucky, well, like let's just say Laurel County, okay? Now Laurel County, you guys would see is that they are mixed up with NXDN, P25, and Narrow FM. So you guys see right here, their Laurel County Fire page is on 453.5125. That's the exact same one as Laurel County EMS Dispatch. Their EMS Dispatch is on P25, Division of Public Safety and EMA Dispatch, P25 encrypted. All these are NXDN. So the only two you guys can listen to on this, if you guys choose to listen to like some like fire operations, that's about the only thing you guys will be able to hear on this system. So let's just say you guys are wanting to listen to Jellicoe, okay? So that means you guys go to Tennessee, you guys go to Campbell County, and then you guys would see something different on Campbell County, okay? Campbell County is all narrow FM. Okay, so they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They got 5 police dispatch. They got 5 fire dispatches, 2 EMS dispatches. Here's Jellicoe, which they use 154.22. LaForda, they got police dispatch, fire dispatch. Now, if we go on to their businesses, now they got one good radio station. I am telling you guys, if you guys are ever in that area, I do recommend you guys check out this radio station. It's called Easy Country, and that station comes all around the East Tennessee area, okay? So let's just say you guys are wanting to listen to Shelby County. Shelby County is now integrated into the Memphis and Shelby County Public Safety System. So if we go on down, we got all these for Memphis. You guys see they are all cleared up in all their towns. This is like their hospital network right here. Public Safety and Memphis Transportation Area Transportation Agencies right here. They got federal agencies, they got high schools. Now let's just say you guys are wanting to listen to like, if I can find it on it. Like right here, businesses, okay? So we got FedEx, we got International in Memphis. We go here, no, not amateur radio, geez. So if we go here, we look and see like what they got. We see that they got a lot of different radio systems. So that means if you guys are a Radio Skinner fan like myself, you guys can listen to like so much in these different areas. So Memphis is currently integrating from this Metro Highway 3 from, you guys see all those law dispatchers and taxi dispatchers to all these FedEx, because not all FedEx uses analog, okay? Now, I'm just talking about our FedEx in our area because they're trying to immigrate over to cell phones. So if we look for the Pink House, which Memphis Attractions, they got carriage tours. The Zoology Gardens, they got, oh, here's Beeler Street, they got bar operations. There's the Zoology Gardens, they got carriage tours. Here's the Pink Palace right here. Museum, which they say license is terminated, which they don't know what their command code is. Like if we click on their license, this is where the Memphis Pink Palace is, and they don't got no radio channels under that code. So that means the place there, like let's just say for instance, you guys are waiting to go to like the Gaylord Opryland Hotel, and you guys are flying in you guys are driving down there to Nashville. So they got P25 for their command post, outside parking, Metro, they got a couple of NXDN, they got a lot of narrow FM, so if you guys like to listen to media setup, they're shipping and receiving, Gray Line buses and limos. Here's the CMA Music Festival radio frequency right here. And if we go on back, we go to their businesses. If we go on down here to entertainment, here's Country Music Hall of Fame right here. So you guys see that they use DMR dispatch. Here's like where the Ryan Auditorium is. That's where the Grand Ole Opry happens. Now here's like all their hotels. Here's like Margaritaville Hotel. Here's like Ransom Inn. They got like Opry Mills Hotel, like all these. They got like Nashville Opry and Mental Society, like right there. Those are all theirs. Jukenau Park. So they got a lot of stuff that you guys can listen to in their area. But just to be advised, all this radio channels you guys can listen to, like no matter what, with a radio scanner, you guys can listen to airport traffic. You guys can listen to a lot of different stuff. So here's like Southwest Airlines, so like theirs. So I hope you guys like this video. This video was like a little bit in depth on like a couple places that I think has some really interesting radio channels from listening to like RadioReference.com and listening to stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up if you guys haven't already did, and if you guys hit that subscribe button and ding that notification bell. My goal is to get up to 143 subscribers now. Thank you everybody for making it to 139. You guys are the best, and I want to thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.